Morning guys, I'm sitting here outside on the deck and I'm just editing yesterday's vlog. This is my view. There's a hummingbird feeder right there. I don't know if you can see it, and the hummingbirds are getting pretty brave, but I don't think they're very happy about me sitting here and blocking their food supply, but they're just gonna have to make friends with me. So yeah, it's our last full day here as of now. We're thinking about changing our flights, but it's really expensive. So at this point, this is our last day. And we have plans for Doug's birthday tonight, which will be fun. All the family's getting together. So that'll be a good time. I haven't met most of them yet. And other than that, I think we're hanging out here for the most part, maybe getting some food ready for the party. And yeah, I'll keep you updated. We just finished working out. We did, I don't know how long it was, maybe like a 45-minute walk run up the road. And then I don't know if you guys know who Fitness Marshall is, but I'll tag him below in the information. He's a hip hop guy that does hip hop workout videos, and I mean, you can see how sweaty I am. It's really fun. We've had a good time. I kind of killed myself in that workout. I worked out twice technically, but yeah, I'm really tired. So, second coffee of the day. Cheers. I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff I bought yesterday. Two of the things I bought. I think I bought a pillow as well, but these are the pretty fun things I bought. I have a coloring book for mandalas. I thought this would be really good for the plane. It's really cool. It's very intense. Let me see if I can. Like, there's some very intricate. Look at that. That's crazy. And then I bought all this incense. It was 30 for $3, which is a pretty good deal, and I got lots and lots of different scents. So hopefully that will come in handy. It smells so good. And then we got our masks as well, which you saw yesterday. My mom got this one, and I got a purple lace one. It's just over there. I don't want to forget it. Yeah, we're trying to decide what to do today. It's kind of cloudy. And it's our last day, so we want to be out on the dock and, you know, go boating and stuff, but it's not really the right weather. But it's not really the right weather for it, so we don't really know what to do yet. But I will keep you guys updated. Hey guys, we are headed to Doug's one daughter's house to celebrate his birthday. I'm just collecting things because I think we're running a little bit late. Yeah, it should be a good time. Everyone is going to be there. Morning guys, so it's the next day. I was going to vlog the big celebration of Doug's birthday, but it didn't seem right. Yeah, there's a lot of people there and I feel like it wouldn't have been super comfortable, so I nixed that idea. So I'm sorry. It was really fun. Yeah, lots of laughs. Those people are really great. I'm happy I got to meet them. We are traveling today. It is, I think, 8 o'clock in the morning right now. I've been up for an hour and a half. We leave at 9:30. Yeah, go from here to Texas, and then from Texas back to Calgary, which is like a 4-hour flight or something, so it's gonna suck. But yeah, so it's been nice being here. I hope I can come back soon. It's really, really pretty. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Let's do this. We're off to Texas. Where in Texas are we going?
Just going to Houston Airport.
Houston. So we have a layover in Houston, and then we're going to Calgary. How is everybody doing today?
I'm not feeling very well.
It's very dead in this airport. Shout out to my girls, Sarah Mitchell and Lindsay Frost, for showing me adult coloring books. I feel no shame. This is amazing. And I love it. Boarding the first plane.
We'll talk to you again once again, welcome aboard.
Downloaded on your mobile device. Otherwise, there will be monitors located in the terminal with that information.
We are in Houston, and we're trying to find a spot to eat and hang out. We have about a, 3-hour layover? Yeah. It's very busy in here. Very busy. Kelsey doesn't know if she likes Houston.
I do not like Houston. When I saw him, I think he was like,
Trains. I did. We are at Cat Core's having dinner. I've had a drink and I'm tipsy. That drink was really strong. I'm gonna be really relaxed on the plane. I feel like I've been here all day. I've been here for so long. We're coloring now. It looks like an octopus. Kelsey's coloring a mandala octopus. I just started one with eyes. I don't know what you're doing. We are on our last leg of the journey on our flight to Calgary. How's everybody feeling? Tired. There you go. Very exciting.